How to add your own music on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add your own music on your Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up Instagram, and usually when you want to go ahead and create a story, you just swipe right on your screen, and from here, you just choose the picture that you want to select. So for example, if I just select this picture right here, now if you want to add music, you can just tap on the music option. But these are the music that Instagram has provided, and the Instagram music. But if you want to add your own music from your gallery, so let's say if you have downloaded any music from somewhere and you want to add that specifically to your picture or Instagram story, then in that case, you'll have to create your story beforehand using any third-party editing website like CapCut or InShot. So I'm just going to show you guys. Here I have the InShot app. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. And I'm just going to create a new project here. So here is the picture that I've just selected from my gallery. So all you have to do is tap on the audio section and then click on Add Music. So you can extract audio from your video, or you can just click on My Music, click on Allow, and now it will access all of your recordings and music from your gallery. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this song right here, like this, and then use it. Now once you have done that, you can just edit the length of the song to fit the video. So I'm just going to swipe to the right and just select the video so that it fits. Now once that is done, you can just export it and post it on your story. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.